Hey, how you doing, everyone? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. We're going to be doing a new series, probably 5 or 6 videos long, of installing a TERAFLEX 3-inch lift kit on this Jeep TJ Wrangler 2-door, not an LJ, it's a TJ. Also some Vulcan gas shocks and sway bar disconnects, and doing the whole shebang. We're going to be doing beginning the lift to the end of the lift, torque specs, following the instructions so you have the torque specs there. And I'm going to try to keep it as short as possible, but also give you all the information you need to do the lift yourself, or at least be able to follow along if you have a buddy helping you or something like that. So stay tuned. In the next couple of weeks, I got to get all the footage edited. Still working on the project. I just got the front done. So I got also some other videos and stuff that I need to get edited. Been a very busy couple of weeks. Haven't gotten any videos done and edited. A lot of recorded, nothing edited. So stay tuned. I got a lot of exciting stuff coming out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to be notified when the videos do come out. And as always, God bless.